In this video, I'll show you how to edit header on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I'd like you to choose the website that you want to edit the header for. Now, once you're on that website, this is what the dashboard should look like. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the left sidebar. We're going to click on website. We're going to click on pages. And on the pages, we're going to click on home. Now on the right side of your screen, you should see the home page preview, and at the top of it, you should see edit. We're going to click on the edit button, and once we click on it and we hover over the header, you're going to see edit site header. Now that's where you want to click, and this is where you can edit site header and then do some customizations as you would prefer. Now that's how to edit header on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.